Hi, I'm Amanda, General Sales Manager with Pulte Homes. I am proud to announce that Pulte Homes is expanding to Clay County with the first of many new communities, Bradley Creek. Bradley Creek is located in the town of Green Cove Springs in the Lake ASBURY area of Clay County. This community will give our residents easy access to OAKLEAF Town Center, Naval Air Station Jacksonville, CECIL Field, and Camp Blanding. And with the First Coast Expressway access and expansion, homeowners will have quick access to downtown Jacksonville and the Jacksonville International Airport. With Bradley Creek's prime location, our residents will be able to take advantage of the local restaurants, shopping, and entertainment. Homeowners will also have quick access to other local townships such as Fleming Island, Middleburg, and Orange Park. If you love the outdoors, Bradley Creek is a place for you. Our community is a short drive to numerous bodies of water, including the St. Johns River, Bradley Creek, and Lake ASBURY, where you can enjoy any type of water activity like boating, kayaking, and fishing. If it's hiking, horseback riding, or just exploring nature, the Black Creek Ravines Conservation Area is a quick drive from your doorstep as well. Pulte Homes is one of our nation's top builders with over 800,000 homes built and 75 years of experience. We will have 4 model homes still under construction at the time of our VIP appointments at Bradley Creek. Our Northeast Florida division currently has communities in St. Johns County, Duval, and Nassau County. We encourage you to go explore our other neighborhoods, walk our beautiful model homes, and feel how we build and bring our communities together. Bradley Creek will be available by appointment only starting May 13th. If you are interested in being a part of this amazing new community in Clay County, please click the link below to access the website. Once you click the link in the email, you will find floor plan offerings, starting pricing, and the phone number or email link to use to schedule your VIP appointment. We will have limited appointments available, so don't wait. We look forward to seeing you soon.